My name is Kevin, and I will be showing you how to use the law of sines. I'm going to be doing number 7 on workbook page 219. Our project is on the law of sines, and you use the law of sines whenever you're trying to figure out a measure on a triangle that does not have a 90-degree angle in it. The formula for this is sine big A over little a, sine big B over little b, sine big C over little c. And since we only have one side, we're only going to need to use sine big A over little a and sine big B over small b. So it would be equal to sine 55, because that's the degree in it, over 18, because that's what the side that corresponds with it, is equal to sine 32 over x, for the same reason, because 32 degrees corresponds with x, our variable, which we're trying to figure out. To put this in an equation, it would be, since we'll be doing cross multiplying, it'd be x times sine
And by the way, the first one
55 is equal to 18 sine 32. Since you need to get x by itself, you would divide by sine 55 on this side to get the x isolated. And then it would be, after you put 18 sine 32 into your calculator, it'd be 953 divided by sine 55 into the calculator, it'd be 0.81, and x would be equal to 1176 for the missing side. Turn that off.
It is off.
And I'm going to do problem 4 on page 219 in the workbook. 4 is asking us what the measure of angle Z is. So we're going to have to find the measure of this angle. We're going to start off by writing sine big A over little a is equal to sine big B over little b is equal to sine big C over little c. It would be easier to change x, y, z to a, b, c, so it would be easier to plug in what we know. We are just going to use these two because we only need to find one variable. So sine 76 over 19 is equal to sine C, our missing angle, over 15. We're going to cross multiply, so it would look like 15 sine 76 is equal to 19 sine C. We're going to divide 19 to try to get C alone. So 15 sine 76 over 19 is equal to sine C. We're going to move sine on this side of the problem to get C alone. When moving sine over on the opposite side, it turns into sine negative 1. Sine negative 1 times 15 sine 76 over 19 equals 49.99, which is also 50. So this would be the measure of angle C.
Trying to find angle x. So what you want to do is you want to go sine x over 6.3
equals sine 35 over 7.5. Then what you want to do is you want to get x by itself. So then you go so then you would by 6 point times this by 6.3, and we do the same on the same side, the other side. So you get x out, then it's sine x equals 6.3 sine 35 over 7.5. Now, what you want to do is you want to get x by itself. So you go sine divided by sine. So then it'll be x equals sine -1 times 6 no 6.3 sine 35 over 7.5. Now you want to get x by itself. So you go sine divided by sine. So then it'll be x equals sine -1 times 6 no 6.3 sine 35 over 7.5 equals sine -1 times by 3.6 over 7.5. This right here, you put this in a calculator, you will get x equals 28.
See, we put